we going, bro?
We're going to Miami, bro.
What's going on? Yo! You're bro.
What's
Hey guys, why do you always do that? It started.
Okay. Hey, what's going on?
Yo!
Go on. Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are on our way to Mims, Florida.
Which is not Miami.
Which is not Miami.
Oh my gosh, there's a freaking Jeep!
Not a Supra. No, it's good.
Right,
Pause.
from Kissimmee.
Pause. You know what I've never understood? How the same company that makes the Skyline G34 and the brand new GT made a Versa. Like that.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back.
300 feet, turn right onto Town Center Boulevard.
What's up, everybody? Because I don't want to have the same conversation that we were having on the video that we're actually using.
What's going on, everybody? We are on our way to Mims, Florida to go ahead and get me a car today.
Which, by the way, Mims is not anywhere near Miami.
We were told that Mims is near Miami, so if you live in Mims,
Then again, it's our
You're
fault
close
for
to
trusting
South
the guy
Beach?
who gets lost
Can
going to
you
my
stop,
house.
bro? I didn't get
10
lost.
minutes. He took a 10-minute drive and multiplied it by 3.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Is that 30?
Bananas. So anyways,
So
we're,
anyways,
on our way,
everybody.
we're on our way to Mims.
I'm gonna hide Carlos's phone here. He's never gonna know where it's at. All right, it's gone forever. I have a GoPro here, and we're gonna go to Walgreens to get an SD card. So yeah, expect better quality videos finally.
That's
I forgot this is ours, guys. All right.
This is the YouTube channels.
That's, yeah.
So
We're just gonna act like we know what we're doing. Alright, guys.
Cheers to a new car.
To a new car.
why is my hair never combed in these videos?
Because you don't ever comb your hair.
Cheers to a new car.
to the road. Alright, guys. So we're gonna read some dad jokes. It's gonna be Carlos versus Adonis, the first person to laugh. Well, we're gonna keep score. We're gonna read the dad jokes.
Alright.
And if they laugh, they get a point. The least amount of points is the winner.
invincible.
All right.
But what does the winner get and what does the loser get?
Ooh. No, you got
Cut that out. Like a race.
If I win, I get to paint Adonis's car. If I lose, I'll pay for the paint job.
Deal. I won't laugh.
Econo.
Yeah, I got him. Deal. Got it.
What do I'm gonna laugh and I'm gonna ruin it for you guys. What do sprinters eat before a race?
What?
Nothing. They fast.
That's not funny. He's laughing. Look at him. Look at his face. Yeah, he's laughing. Look, he's laughing. He's laughing. No, you laugh.
That's not a true laugh though. It has to be like a true laugh. Like,
Okay.
why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself?
Why?
Because it was too tired.
Oh, too tired. I got it. It has like 2 tires.
Yep.
What happens when you go to the bathroom in France?
We leave.
European.
I like the we better.
How does a penguin build its house?
How?
It glues it together.
Oh, 'cause it's an igloo. Okay, yeah.
Stop explaining the jokes. Why did the invisible man turn down the job offer?
Why?
He couldn't see himself doing it.
That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a...
Spring is here. I got so excited I wet my plants.
He's laughing. He's laughing. He's laughing.
I'm allowed to smile.
This graveyard looks overcrowded. People must be dying to get in there.
Yes! Yes! Let's go!
My wife told me I had to stop acting like a flamingo, so I had to put my foot down.
That was good.
I even said it bad too. But
I know, but I was picturing the funny thing is like I was picturing you as a flamingo.
putting it down. Alright, come on.
That's 2-1. All right.
Let's do the one.
What do you call it when a group of apes start a company?
What?
Monkey. So right now, Carlos is down.
I'm down.
Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. So,
Don't get cocky.
yo, bro. Full send it. Put it in race mode.
Can you stop touching stuff?
What is wrong?
Yo, so we're here at Mims, and we're like what?
It's like super country. I feel like we're gonna get like, I don't know.
I don't know, bro.
26 minutes away.
Yeah.
So,
Yo,
what the?
Yo, look at that.
Bro, yo, check this out.
Oh my god. What the heck? Where's the, I don't even know where the sprays are.
Bro, no, don't wipe it. It's gonna be worse.
How do you
Was that like a bird or like? That's a big bug.
That's a big bug.
We're
What are you doing?
we're just talking about country displaces, and a monster bug just
here we go.
oh.
Oh, does it
That is
wanna walk
not
up?
coming out. It's stubborn.
Now we can't see. We're gonna die.
It's coming out. Little big
Is
reveal.
it Adonis' car? Let's get his reaction first before we show them.
Got no taillights.
Yo, what it look?
Yeah, you see it.
Like,
It has no taillights.
here's a new car, guys.
Here is the new car.
Wow.
Mitsubishi 3000.
The taillights are right there, though. Look at that. Dude, the paint's not bad.
It's not bad.
No, it's not.
It probably needs a good wax though.
Bro, is that Subway?
It does. What you doing, Adonis?
What you looking at, bro? Alright guys, it's pretty late out here. We got Adonis' car, and we got Jose here with us now. We got Adonis' car. We're just cleaning it out a bit. You guys already seen it. So, we're going to be cleaning it out as best as we can. Pretty much do some more research on how to get it started, because this car right now has the dual overhead cam engine, we believe. So we're gonna try to see if we can get that one to run, because the one that's supposed to be in here with the ECU that's supposed to be running is a single overhead cam. There's two ECUs here, so we're gonna try to figure that out, see if we can use those ECUs for the engine that we have now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Continue sharing these videos and showing your friends and all that stuff, because this car is gonna have a lot of work to do. So, but Adonis said he's gonna take the seats out and put a roll bar, and he's gonna go.
It's gonna be a speedy boy.
It's gonna be 8-second car on the track.
7 seconds.
See you guys in the next one. Woo!